5 Tips for Junior Auditors. Auditing can be overwhelming, especially when you are just starting. Knowledge and continuous training in all GMP-related areas are crucial for a highly qualified auditor. But where should you start? Here are 5 tips that will make your auditing journey much easier. 1. Get to know the standards. That is crucial for any auditor and cannot be done overnight. Start gradually, get to know them well, and learn how to differentiate between them. 2. Make your own checklist. Write down questions and ensure you understand what is required by each standard. 3. Observe and accompany the more experienced auditors. 4. Your notes matter. When writing the report, refer first to your notes and try to build a complete picture. Then compare the information with the audit team leader for more details. 5. Finally, always remember a good auditor is not there to make findings but to help the audit team improve. Thank you for checking out today's tip. If you like it, please share it with your network. Learn more about GMP and explore free events. Visit www.qualistory.com.